Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, them boy, them people every day, them get up on my name. Every day.
Here, black up your yard. Me have to black up a picture. If it was a mix up, post it. If it was a mix up, post the black up a picture. And you not tell people say Twep black up your eye, kick in their face. You not tell people that. Why I must stop and must sit down? Remember, I'm an internet person, you know. Remember, I have to depend on the internet. Every scroll, I'm stop on my fire page. I see the girl. Yeah, shot this me by dissing my child and telling lie upon my child. Shot this me. I went to my country and say, I'm feeding America. I'm feeding people. I go say them do things fair in America. So you cook and get one little plate of blood clot food. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. It's a good, it's a bad one. Let me tell you, you should know something. Give me life, God. You know something. Give me life, God. If somebody at 30-year-old and you give them one plate of food, or you give them 2 plates of food, when the 29 years old, 11 months, and how much days, and who did I feed them? Somebody just, Jamaican people make, you give them 1 plate of food, and you give them something to eat, and you come over and internet and tell them, say, you feed them, or she not homeless. She not homeless and she not naked. Me stay at Jamaica and so much clothes. My clothes when me sew them. She cannot wear them on the road like that because I transfer. Just like when some sew for your, I be high fashion something. She have to go out for wear them there. Me no business when nobody wants say. Because me, none of get sentenced for over here, so. Nobody not get sentenced for over here, so. And I'm me supposed to have something for protect because me have my customers them. And my customers them are also rated. I see her online, you know. I see her in the bagabaganess, you know. I see her in the mix up, you know. But I have 20 odd hours you depend. I say you're going to bring her down. You're going to bring her down. Eh? You are going to bring her down. You can't friend her enemy and I tell lie to her about how she say about baby and all them from the baby now wearing a foreign and baby shop Twep in a foreign. Baby now wear nobody no want come a foreign just a foreign. A young girl want sit down with no baby a prayer them foot. Me don't know who want to get that from. Because America now pay people about baby again. America now pay immigrants about baby again. Remember me tell you. That food stamp not have. Nothing she not have. You not get nothing. So when you come with your glory and I talk about a you all around, me nobody now tell me $7 of a code. Me landed my daughter with 530 US for buy her ticket land there in American Airlines. Kiss my ass. You hear me I tell you? On my account you go in and take out the money and Twep to buy the turkey neck and them something and cook for you and she. Because you broke and never have no money. On my account you go in and go take out the money. Yeah, on my account you go in and go take out the money. Baga keep over here, so. Yeah. I don't love it. When I wake up and search for it. When I wake up and search for the baga needs to think no gonna step on my data and me just sit down, so. It nah gonna work. Tantos, Matic stop going like how you bring that like Quincy did. Eat you so. That's why I went to the eat Kim on because she can mix up herself with you. I'm say, Kim really come and find mix up with this girl from over Jones. I wish she from Jonestown or one of them Craigtown or one of them places. You know church come and say you really leave from friend and come mix up with she. I 1 year and I tell her I said for cut because I be a dream, I dream. The last dream about Tanta is that you put Kim on in her face. I'm a wake up and say, I get a dream, I get a dream. Every time I get a dream. Sure run and some because me and her, she and her friend, yeah. So I don't know which one I want to pay. So, hey, see someone now tell me, say me mix up. Remember me tell you, if it was food or data, uno swing lots already. And that me I tell you, think me an idiot. Uno can't get me if you shut up. Yeah. Uno can't get me if you shut up. Matic, you not do nothing. What you do for Kim, what you not do, she never homeless. She never homeless when you know her and when you and her leave. She never homeless. She never homeless and it's your money and her friend money and Twep money buy that car. And the way you're stagnant, you could even hold on the car. Remember me tell you, talk about me. The way you're stagnant, you couldn't hold on the car. So I could make story come to bump you now. I know a long time I sit down and hear all this. A long time I hear this and I come out with some receipt in a girl. You never know. A long time. Yeah. A long time. If my daughter wrong, because I tell my daughter already, girl, what you gonna talk about them relationship for? What you know them? What you gonna talk all your name and it for? Yeah, Twep wrong. But let me tell you something, it reach a point now when Matic get much glory. Matic go like say a she feed her and a she bust her, a she bust her through the border and a she landed her. At that part, them address. Because I don't tell her that she wrong already. But don't tell my daughter say she wrong. I no response for none of one. Yeah, tag her in this, running from boy. I got a picture where she kicking in your face. Remember say she kicking in your face, you know. I remember say she could have locked you, you know, because you abuse her, you know. Yeah, remember say you abuse her. And that me I tell you. So don't come here, so come go and like true you meet somebody new while you and her in an argument. And you come and come friend up our enemy and you come party the online and come. So alright, so why you never go over there go tell she say she not for bringing the kapachi the mix up. Eh? Cause the kapachi over here wait for me for call her name but me a true gangster from a long time, from before me be a gangster Christian. So me know when say from when of say I'm in the country settings underneath the government settings. So I can't call the Kapachi name. They never know. I can't call the Kapachi name in a business. Where on want say who want cuss first and me come last. And the last laugh and the best laugh. Show the picture which kick in her face. I remember she have a picture where she take where the whole her head tap here so where you grab out the whole her ear and dear nearly drop off of the bed a long time when I fight this started. A long time. And how much time she have to move out, she have to pack her things and leave. She have to pack up her things and leave. And she get the vice note them with a long time we have the vice note before the Kapachi even put her in detention. The next Kapachi will send the liar. So you say Twep a calm at this. This happened long before the Kapachi even come out of the detention. Long before the Kapachi dirty nasty mix machine. Yeah. Remember, you never feed her, you never take care of her. And me tell Twep so she not for come back online with no mix up. Up to this morning, I said, John was star. Don't come back online with no more mix up. It don't sound good. It don't sound good. But you come and so come go on like you want Billy Clay. Everybody, I'll move on everybody in a one. Hey, girl, go from yourself. Because they are find zero. Not even when you used to play football, you know, get big forward there. I Twep numbers, you see. For me, Twep, you know, start live. And the people them used to say, where the bullfrog you come from? I want to the ground lizard there. Yeah. Yeah. I saw me talk from long time. Anybody will know me. Anybody will know me. And everybody know me from a long time as a dressmaker. Nobody don't know me as no fuck out. Nobody don't know me as no suck out. Nobody don't know me as no pee and a heart, no jacker. Nobody don't know me as no how much ears people know me from everywhere. And everybody know me as a woman with sit on the sewing machine and sew my clothes to clean my blood clot. People only know me as a dressmaker and a warded dressmaker. I couldn't even do this on Instagram because the people never give me their word on Instagram. Every time I go for Ray, what I've done, people say, Grace, remember that we don't want you to be this kind of person and we don't. But Matic, you can't sit down for 20 hours. I'm nah, answer you. And 20 hours and y'all call my name with the Kapachi. That get me upset. Y'all call my name with the Kapachi. Your Kapachi a jankro. You're a Kapachi, nothing but you're a Kapachi. And your Kapachi a pay you for this Twep. And then guess what? I go want back my $30, you know. Me I go want back when you did hungry and down. Me I go tell you say $30. And $30 how much? You tell me say you give me money. You didn't give money when I tell my gas done. Twep was excited. She said, Mom, me go send you money for my gas. And you know your daughter and she excited. I said, well, you know, do you do? Yeah. And you come online and come disrespect me. What? I go want back my $30 because your account can prove say it take my $30 off of TikTok when you did hungry. My girl, please, I'm gonna need back my $30. I want to send it back. Yeah, me go want to send it back. Come and have the receipt for the $30. Come and have the receipt for the $30. Food that should come from Quincy. Remember tell you Quincy. Remember tell you Quincy. Yeah. Cause if she did follow me up, shop in a yo. I learn from this to come out because she come to our next thing and come out with such a note. One day me hear Shan say she a poking out. She look over the top of the waist. She know say remember something I know you already know. Shan me here say so. I go want it back. Send it back to me account. Send it back to me account. 30 US. I go want it back. And when I put up the picture when Twep kick in the high and you the grab out her ear because she have the whole of the patch so where she end up I forgot doctor forget the cream for put the patch so where you grab out the whole of the girl ear. Yeah. So stop the online and I swear and I tell people about this and that and I go on like say it's the relationship where you join where make you and Twep in the argument. Not safe. And when not safe there's somebody tag her. Not safe can't hear this. Because me I give you a Nassif just a short time because I guess the same every relationship where you're going on, you disgrace the first partner. So when time you and Nassif nice, you know what you do? You show the niceness. You show the niceness. Don't seem to used to show the niceness and then Dior is a blessing. Dior is a blessing. I mean, you say you put up all Dior picture of some hospital picture and them something. Ask Twep what I say. I 1 year I had now me I said to Twep, go in our phone and delete all of them pictures because she can use them and disgrace you. The picture where she cut the navel string, go in there. So the thing have to lie me I tell? Eh? One of the things I let me tell, no for uno way upon this, uno having a problem in the yard. Uno having a problem. Matic did want to do this because Matic privately between me and uno, how much people there? 400 and something. Matic privately went to Kim one friend where she have from, she must about 17-year-old or about no 17, 19-year-old. Because when she have 19 at them time, Matic got to our friend and carried him on name and I beg money and the friend shot the same friend where did you use the money and buy help for buy the car and the friend shut her down and block her and Twep never come online. Enough things she do. Enough things she do. So nobody come here so with your foot tip tray and I come talk about yeah. Enough things you do. The worst time and the worst thing in a Twep life. Me did I send money go gear. Me send money go gear. Big send money go gear. My friend in England send money go gear. Yeah. When she just landed, belly big, chav, vomit and beer things. And me and her follow her go up at the pantry, everything. And she get her little money and her little stuff. I can't post up them something there, you know. Because I have all the food them she used to cook. All the picture them, you know. When she used to cook from China, the shelter, all them little something there, you know. And me and say, take picture and let me see what the food you cook, the girl. And them something because I have to support her, you know. Because she just dropping at the place, you know, pregnant and sick and them thing there, you know. Me's a mother way I support her from time, you know. But this girl, yeah. Coming like vomit, but this girl vomit. In a Twep shoes, I expect she can come back, come drink it, you know, man. You see what I say? So nobody come. I think say you gonna say, yeah, are you? Come here, my receipt, I landed there too, you know. I told my daughter, me landed there. And me landed there in America. And me landed my daughter in America. Yeah, and me landed there in America. And pay back her money. And me landed there in America. I know why you come over here to come talk about a plate of blood clot food. I know why you come talk about no food. No bother with no food. The food now go cut it and me landed there in America. And she used to use her card and buy beer food and full up in her place. She used her and buy beer food and full up in her place. Yeah. So nobody come with them like a petty show there. And you petty bad, you know. And you watch people money, you know. And anytime Nassif look at you and tell you say she broke. This week, she broke. Next week, you got attitude. And the next week, you got to tag and look at another girl. I'm not asking, you know. Anytime Nassif tell you say she broke. Sorry for Nassif. I hate that. Nassif a good girl. Me no business if when she and Kim Won Chun catch up in a nothing and Kim Won Chun never ever go over there to Nassif. But guess what? Sometimes Father God have to show you the evil where lurks. The evil where lurks. Yeah, cause even if you give that person one more minute in your life, Father God said, no, me I clamp this right here, so. Yeah. You hear the girl that said, don't choke the baby. Why are you saying these things? Don't do this. Don't do that. If we, you see someone who wear tie, if we ever go down in a phone of life, the blood clot come out to the rubbish truck full of mix up. Me know. Some on the way they on the live and said she did for this and she for that and she for it. If we go down in a phone of life or come out with some mix up, but look round they say if you don't see it. Uno mama, uno mamba, uno don't come out online with. I don't come online with my business. It's my daughter all these years me dey online. If anybody know me as a dressmaker, never see me like this. Uno ever blood class see me come out online like this? Uno ever see me, you know, where I disgrace myself like this? Me say if anyone who know about old school like me, anyone who know old school like me, let me tell you something. I'm soon 60-year-old. 6 months left for maybe 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. 6 months. June, July. 6 months left for me 60-year-old. You never see me in this? You never see me in this? Anybody who know me from way back when days? You ever see me in a them something here? When your blood clot pitney baga, you know have a baga. You can be a good, nice person, child baga. Pitney grow up and choose the life where they want to choose. Just like how you can have a murderer, blood clot parents and a quiet university student child. Because you know a murderer where kill people, rob and thief and send them pitney go a UE and then pitney on blood clot doctor and tell me nothing. My daughter actually don't have anything to do with blood clot. Me go suck out on a mama. You never see a blood clot pastor have a rapist son. You never see a pussy clot doctor have a son where I take coke. You never see a liar have a son where charge for murder. Kiss my ass and go me defend my blood clot doctor. You can't tell me nothing. You don't want to come out with the truth because you don't want Twep stay and look bad. So you don't work for the Kapachi them and you come out here. For the Kapachi them, you type I could have the Kapachi herself and himself come here so and a type. You notice it is a woman to woman something. You see, but Mark say something. You see, no, did that. I'll get Matic your womb dry up. Matic. Your womb dry up. You see a period and drink it. When you see a period in a cup, girl, and you drink it. That's why you're so wicked. You see a period and then you drink it, Matic. You know, respect your body. You are going to be the next Derek. Where you hold a nano pitney if you look after you because you never highlight no pitney. You have a page. You say your child. We never child. You have a child pan government birth paper something. You have a child where you want them the pan government name something, birth paper something. If a child, somebody never see. Somebody never see it. People only see go buy new clothes or thief new clothes and they pan line at all new clothes. Let me tell you something. 6-year-old I say me I pursue my black cloth already as a designer, you know. I pursue my goal as a designer. I don't charge for no fraud and blood clot rape. I don't walk and suck no little picnic pussy. I don't do nothing like that. I sew people clothes and the people them clothes I sew. Some of the people them not even remember them. Them say, oh Miss Gracie, oh you remember you made my school uniform? And I'm like, oh my God, I don't remember you. Let me tell you something. I live my life and pursue my goal so I can blood clot come cuss for my daughter now. Matic never take care of my blood clot and then you landed in America. And if you buy her 2 pack of baby pampers, the baby pampers them doo-doo and done already and use and flush and dash away. So you don't need more pass, you don't need more food, you need more food. Who are going to give Twep food today? Who is going to give Twep food today? Is it you? Is it you? So stop make it look like my daughter crippling her somewhere, and I you send her go basic school, and I you buy the wheelchair fare, and you buy our pampers fare, so till you buy start buy grown pumps, and I you buy our medicine, and I you do everything fair. Eh? Stop it. Eh? Stop going like you take care of her wholly and solely when your girl have her food stamp her fully fridge. The fridge where you share. Remember saying you ain't a foreigner and you still a share fridge, you know. That's why I'm turning to the life you can't good. You in a foreigner and share bathroom. Or if you in a foreigner and share bathroom, this not feasible. And that's why I say, Mommy, you too bad mind. So Twep, you don't really use this video, but let me ask you a question. You really, hold on there. Let me turn on the phone here. Let me ask you a question. You really gonna link up with somebody where you share bathroom? Eh? You shut up about she sleep and she put her on big bed. My girl, my daughter, what charge today? My daughter buy her big bedroom set. My daughter buy her bedroom set. What you talking about? My daughter buy her big bedroom set in a Jamaica. Yeah. But she never used to sleep on it with you. Until you make you sleep on the bed now. You see you take it and cuss her. Something must come out. My afro come out. Because girl, me don't know which one I want to hypocrite over here. So I'm telling you something. Sleep on your bed. What is a blood bed, girl? It's a bed. So people in them go so. I wonder if them know. What is a bed? She have a bed in the shelter. Yeah. The AC is right there in the living room. And you go to some little petty something like food for eat, bed for sleep. No girl, if you talk about your touch case of US. Then would I say you talk about something. Talk about the lesson. The car where you fully buy her with her name to it. And she can't drive it because she not on papers. And she not on a driver's license. You can't drive now, you know. Matic, you must remember say you can't drive now. Yeah, and where the car then now? Where is the car? Take another picture on the car. If you're bad, do that and beat me. Take a next picture on the car. Eh? Do that and beat me. Do that and beat me. Take a next picture on the car. Yeah, you ask back for money where you buy our food. She asks back for you see how petty it is? Alright, may I show you people. Oh, no, me is disgusting. But listen, you sit down there swing when I hear somebody say, me feed her. I want you to so where you there? Come on. Some of the people there say me and Twep have it out because she in a relationship with you. I say no. You remember the first day Twep put the phone, you hold it to me. I say, why you shy? Why you shy? Why you hold her? And from looking at face, I say, yeah. Nobody has Twep better than Matic. But come on now. Give Twep what she's supposed to get. She's not supposed to come in argument with them. But Matic cannot come here and go on like she landed her into America and she feed her for no 1 year is a lie. Nothing does not goes like that. Nothing does not go like me end up and send money go give them. I'll choose something. Yeah, and she end up send money give me and if this great me disgrace she allow a blood clot tell. My land gonna church me can cause. Yeah. My era when I live in a people respect me now. Me feel I and dog in a somewhere cause. I'm not this type of person. But come on now, man, 20 odd hours you half jump on the internet and I bring down my daughter with some beer lie? Eh? With beer lie? Just because you link up to somebody who's gonna have more money than she, you say it. You say it. You say it. All the reason why you gonna get involved in that girl is because of the money. You say it. And all the reason why you gonna friend our enemy, your party is because of money. It happen. It happen. Yeah. It happen. Dumbass. Yeah. You have she have a bedroom set in Jamaica? No football game she used to play. She not buy no tight. No football game never give her the big forward where she get 20 no Twep. Yeah. You see the same plastic when you ever use people, it won't boil off in a hot water. I hope you did scald it off. It's 800 US pay feet, so you're not gonna dash it away. I hope you scald it off, because the same wood where I use, and the same wood you gonna use for another girl too. Yeah, the 12 I use, the same. So the same. Father God, I'm glad to how I grow. I'm glad how I grow, you know. Father, give me the slingshot, David, for shooting in your face. Father, give me, like David, give the slingshot for shooting in your face. But go if you go beat off the body where you have. Yeah, go beat off with warm water, scald it off, with boil it with soap water and baking soda, vinegar. Yeah. The whole situation is sick. But you see when me come out, come talk, you don't know what me feel as a mother wake up in the morning. Matic move your nasty blood clot off the internet and you stop stretch out your neck string like a you mind twep. You know mind twep. Tell me how much pair of shoes you ever buy her? Since you say you mind her, where you buy her? What kind of furniture you buy her? What you do? Eh? Yo, but if you buy fine clothes for her, me find better clothes for her because my clothes them are design clothes. You can't go in a no store go find them. That me I tell you. That's why me I tell you say me say my granddaughter, me make clothes and go send go give my daughter. Nobody a friend can have nothing over. That me I tell you. My response when nobody wants to say. Me miserable mother, but yeah.